Hello everyone, this is Lewis again from Lewis Lab Computer Repair. Previously I was speaking about the MRI software that the Geek Squad uses for all computer repairs. I forgot to mention that even if you had the software or someone you know has it or whatever and you want to use it, if you go online and look at the software, they say it's outdated, it can't be used, it's garbage, give it back to the Geek Squad, whatever. But that's all false. I'm going to tell you right now how to use that software, even if it's outdated 6 years ago, 5 years ago, whatever. Excuse me. What you do is, on your computer, wow, bad. What you do is go on your computer in the BIOS. Go to your BIOS. You want to change the date on the system. You want to change the date to go back maybe 4 years ago, 5 years. So, for example, it's 2017. You wanted to go back at least 2012, at least, or around that area. Once you set the date, you hit F10. You acknowledge that you want those changes to be made, but just keep in mind you got to put the software in after you change that information. Put the software in, or you could do it before you change the information. So it really doesn't matter. As long as the software is in it, it's in the computer. Change that information. Hit F10. Confirm it. Once that CD start rolling in, once it goes all the way through, then you know you hit the right date. If the software doesn't go all the way through, then that means you have to change the date again. Go back into the BIOS, change the date another 2 more years. So you want to go back 7 years total, or 8. Go back as far as you can for that software to roll. It's going to work. Trust me. I do it all the time. Once you confirm that, once that software gets rolling, and you want to do a job for for password recovery, right there it'll say password recovery. Click on that, and that software will get rid of that password that's preventing you from getting into the system. Then it'll ask you if you want to do a system cleanup. That thing has about 4 to 6 programs that run system cleanup. It has Panda. It has Norton. It has everything, man. Run that software. It'll take about maybe a good hour, maybe. Get it rolling. But these are the things that you can do. Also, I want to speak about a lot of these companies, Geek Squad, Apple. You take your system to them. And the only thing they're going to do is this. Let's talk about. All right, we already spoke about Geek Squad. Let's chip on Apple at least. You go there, they want to do the repair, boom. This is what they do. They go in the back, put the system on the table, on a workbench, and basically the only thing they install is something called Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is just a software program. It searches for any viruses that's on your computer, any malware, and it gets rid of it like that. This is the software that these companies use, but yet and still they tell you it's going to take a couple of weeks. And you ask them, why is it going to take a couple of weeks? Oh wait, there's people ahead of you or whatever. Bullcrap. I had customers at my company, and someone's walk in with a simple fix like that. I throw it on a workbench, have another technician look at it, boom, call them up in 1 hour, 2 hours, it's done. So there's no excuses why your system should be sitting at a workbench at oh, please excuse me for this. There's no reason why your computer should be sitting on a workbench for more than a couple of weeks when it can be done in less than a couple of hours. And you shouldn't have to spend that much money. All right, they'll say, data recovery is your hard drive is bad, it's infected, it's going to cost you about $1,200, $1,500. It's bullshit. Something like that would cost, I would cost no more than $400 to do something like that. I don't know why they charging $1,500 for a fix like that. Yeah, it takes some time, but it don't take 2 to 3 weeks to search for corrupted files on a busted hard drive. And then another thing, they can't just look at your computer. They just can't turn it on and run it and say, "Oh yeah, your hard drive is bad." There's no way you can tell a hard drive is bad by listening to it. It's impossible. It could be they turn it on and hear a rattle and it's vibrating and say the hard drive is bad. It's not bad. It probably needs to tighten up and inside, or put a rubber vibrate to prevent vibration around the hard drive while it's on. So that's a $3 fix. I would charge for the piece, which is about $3, and the labor, like $23. I don't understand why people are getting ripped off these days. And people want to know, well, you have a computer company, why are you giving out information like this? Well, I don't think it's right for people to be getting ripped off. It's not right. I wouldn't want my wife or my mom or somebody in my family going to some computer company and getting ripped off like that. I'd rather for them and someone else to know the news about what's going on behind closed doors. So these are the things that you need to know, man. It's a real simple fix, and you shouldn't be getting ripped off like this. All right, again, I'm going to have more information coming up on my next channel. I'll be talking more about repairs. Like I said before, if there's anything you want to know, shoot me an email or drop a line. Let me know what you want to know, and I'll gladly answer it on my next channel. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.